Dear friends, today's topic is Tata Nexon electric SUV car. Say goodbye to petrol and hi to electric. So this is the Tata Nexon electric mini SUV car. This is the side view. This is the front view.
Movement towards electric mobility and its acceleration is a critical imperative for India. In a country with 15 most polluted cities, the argument cannot be more compelling. At Tata Motors, we see this as both a nation-building opportunity and also a business opportunity. Over the last 2 years, with the investment in building an entire ecosystem with Tata U-Universe, we have been able to make significant progress. Both our models, the Tigor EV and Nexon EV, have received a good market recognition and acceptance, and today we have a significant market share, albeit on a very small base. We are very committed to this whole acceleration of electric mobility in the country across all the major cities and eventually nationwide. We are committing ourselves and making all the investments necessary to be able to bring a range of models with the right level of range to meet the needs of all consumers.
Let us see the Tata Nexon EV from Tata Motors in detail. Let us rotate the car and see it. It's a very good car. Looks beautiful. Very nice. It is an SUV, but a mini SUV. It has a sunroof at the top. Back side looks very clean and neat. Electric cars are the future. This Nexon EV is from Tata Motors. Tata has done a wonderful job. Very nice car. With the rising petrol and diesel prices, the use of electric car plays a very important role also for the future. Actually, there are three colors: signature teal blue, glacier white, and moonlight silver. Also, there are three variants in this electric vehicle. This view is the far-off view of the car. Earlier we have seen the very close-up of the view of the car. We can rotate it 365 degrees. 360 degrees. We can rotate and see the car, how it's look like. You can also tilt the car and see. This model is teal blue, signature teal blue color. Sunroof looks very nice. The car has been this electric car, Tata Nexon EV, was launched 1 year before. Recently it has celebrated the first anniversary. Let us see the interior of the car. So these are the three variants of the car. Check the three variants. Let us see the features of the car, or the interior features of the car. It is powered by sunroof. Nexon EVs being powered by sunroof gives breath of fresh air. You can slide it back and enjoy the freedom of a smooth drive. So this is the powered sunroof. Then leatherette interiors, very nice. Plush and premium leatherette seats and upholstery. It gives a classic sophistication to the Nexon EV. It has a floating 7-inch 17.78 centimeter Harman infotainment touchscreen system. with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay TM support. It also has 7-inch TFT digital instrument cluster. Very nice. It has a full graphic display that provides car information on the go conveniently. It has a leather wrapped flat bottom steering. It gives a firm and smooth grip to feel the lightning. It has a rear AC vent. It gives lightning fast cooling for the back or rear seat passengers. It has dual airbags that ensure safety of both the driver and the co-passenger or the co-driver. It also has ISOFIX as standard. You get absolute protection for your child with this setup. It also has automatic transmission. There is a drive mode and sport mode. You can choose between these two during the drive mode and experience effortless travel with this efficient automatic transmission. It also has fully automatic climate control. You can enjoy fully automatic air conditioning for a cool cabin experience. This is the location of the battery and motor. Battery, then this is the battery, this is the motor. Let us see quickly what are the important features in this car. A rapid rewind. So the price starts from 13.99 lakh onwards. Fast charging is also available. These are the different variants. Fast charging, within 60 minutes you could charge 80%. Normal charging takes 8 hours. So this is the calculation for petrol. 4,41,000 in 5 years period you could able to save. And if you travel 100 kilometer daily, you could save 8,83,270 on fuel cost for 5-year period. So it is powered by Citron technology. This is the white color of the Tata Nexon EV. White color. So now let us see the specifications of the Tata Nexon. Specifications of the Tata Nexon: motor type permanent magnet synchronous motor, electric motor. The electric motor torque 245 Nm, drive modes both drive and sports mode, battery pack 30.2 kWh, high energy density lithium ion battery pack, thermal management system liquid cooled, ingress protection for motor and battery IP67, acceleration up to 100 km/h in 9.9 seconds. Gradability percentage is 34%. Emission 0 tailpipe emission. Then smart drive features, smart regenerating braking, hill assist, hill ascent assist and hill descent assist. Transmission, single speed transmission for automatic like drive. Dimension and weight: length, width, height in mm 3993 by 1811 by 1606. Wheelbase in mm 2498 mm. Ground clearance 205 mm. Boot space liter 350. Curb weight kg 1400 kg weight. Steering electrically power assisted. Turning circle radius 5.1 meter. Brake front and rear, disc and drum respectively. Suspension: front suspension independent MacPherson strut with coil spring. Rear suspension has twist beam with dual path strut. Tire size R16. One is steel wheel, the other is alloy wheel, based on the variants that we choose. Charging, it's a charging standard CCS2. Regular charging with 15 amps plug point, it takes 8.5 hours. Fast charging, it takes 60 minutes. This is the estimated timing. Warranty, 8-year warranty or 1,60,000 km, whichever is earlier. It comes with battery pack, motor warranty. Vehicle warranty 3-year or 1,25,000 km, whichever is earlier. These are the additional vehicle warranties on all variants of Nexon EV. The company has given a good vehicle warranty. So these are the various specifications of this electric car, Tata Nexon EV. It's a Tata Nexon EV rally organized by Tata Motors. Around 50 Tata Nexon EV participated. Tata Nexon is the India's best-selling and most successful electric car. It is to be noted. This is the program organized in that rally, and the highest range achieved was 376 km by one of the participants in a single charge. They have reached 376 km in a single charge. So it's the white color Tata Nexon EV. Next comes the teal color. It is a different color.
I'm Dr. Tom Babu. It's been 3 months since I bought my Tata Nexon. Tata has brought this latest technology to India much faster than anyone of us could imagine, and therefore I'm indebted to and proud of Tata, and especially Tata Nexon. Brilliant product, ahead of its times, and I'm proud that Tata has put us on that international stage.
These are some of the customer experiences. This is another customer who has purchased Tata Electric Nexon EV. This customer uses solar panel to charge his electric car.
Hi, I'm Manish from Bangalore, proud owner of a Nexon EV. So I've been driving the XUV 500 for 6 years, and I wasn't sure if I should move to a smaller vehicle and to electric. But I just drove this and I was just blown away. Amazing, amazing vehicle. What power and what stability. I mean, you should just drive it to experience it. Electric vehicles are the future, and great job by Tata. Every time I take it out for a spin, I just fall in love with it. Just go for it. It's an amazing car. You just
He is another customer of Tata Nexon EV. So price starts at 13.99 lakhs onwards. So in future, whenever you want to buy a car, go for electric car. My advice would be to avoid petrol and diesel cars in future. So these are the different technologies in which the car works. There is a Z Connect. where everything can be in your mobile. Vehicle health monitoring system, commands, safety, security, driving and trip analysis, location based services, all are available in an app. You have uncompromised safety in the car too. So government has given a lot of subsidies to buy, also tax incentives to buy. Best in class performance, safest commute, easy ownership, good years of warranty, along with top-notch connectivity with seamless charging experience. Even with a 15 amps regular charging, you could able to charge the car in 8.5 hours. These are the different colors: silver, white and teal blue. So these are few don'ts and do's which are provided in the catalog of Tata Motors. So nice vehicle overall. Thank you friends.